Hey guys, welcome back again in today's video. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys this beautiful and amazing recipe that will make you look younger than your age. Even if you are 60, this recipe will make you look younger using egg. We are going to use the egg white, and this recipe is very effective. So guys, to prepare this recipe, you need egg white. First we'll do is we are using the egg white. What I need is just a teaspoon of egg white. I think this one is okay. So the next thing we need is this is Vaseline, Brussels Vaseline. So I'm going to scoop out a teaspoon of Vaseline. You scoop it out. Then the next thing you do is you mix it together. Mix it very well. So the next thing we are going to add in this mixture is honey. So I will add a teaspoon of honey. Add a teaspoon of honey, then you mix. Make sure you mix it very well. Then this time I'm going to mix it very well so that the Vaseline will dissolve. So the next thing we need to add lemon. You just add half teaspoon of lemon, just small lemon. I think this one is okay for this measurement. You mix it. You mix it. So this is the mixture that you apply on your face to look younger than your age. It will sweeten your face and it also give you a glass face. You want to get a very clear skin. This is what. So guys, this is the recipe. To apply it, all you need to do is you wash your face, or you apply it after taking your bath in the night. You apply it and wash it off after 10 minutes. Make sure you apply it in a clean body. So that is all. This is end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also like this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.